Yo, what's good? It's your boy Meetch back with another video. We missed yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, we missed yesterday's video. I did record, but it was a little wonky, choppy, and a whole bunch of stuff was going on. So that's the only reason why I didn't post yesterday. I did try to engage in the trade yesterday, and as y'all seen, if y'all paid attention to the post or in the Discord, I don't think I got to mention. Yesterday was the day I was supposed to mention it. I've finally been able to create a full-on Discord server for everything. Towards the end of this video, I'll go through everything inside the Discord server. I'll put the link in the description so that everybody's able to join. And yeah, we can start a little community so that we can help build each other and we can all become profitable, successful, profitable traders. But yes, it is 9:30. Market just opened up. We're going to switch just like that. She did it, haha. So I gotta lock in candles, Hakanashi, right? Wi-Fi been tweaking out a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Wi-Fi been tweaking out, so things is moving quite a bit slow. I don't know what else I need to do to change things so that they move better, more functionably, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. It's just everything's just all over the way. If I'm being quite frankly honest with you, everything's just everywhere. Wow. I don't know. So alright. It's during the sell during the 9 o'clock market right now. So we're gonna go back to candlestick, go back to the 1 minute, 5 minute actually. Back to the this is our 9:30, so we're gonna go to 5 minute. We're gonna let it sit here and then yeah, so I'm gonna get back to you when it is what 9:35, 9:36 around there, so I can mark my high, my 5 minute high and low. And yeah, whilst I'm waiting, I'm gonna be trying to fix this, whatever this thing got going on. All right, so what 35? It's currently it's gonna go to 10. So I guess we gotta go to the 1 minute mark. Yeah, we're gonna go. We don't, we throw boxes for our zones, so this is 6, the highest. It's right here. Moving a little bit smoother. I think that's better right there. That should be the whole. Candle length is gonna pop back up. That's what just pisses me off. It keeps doing this. And then the lowest point is definitely down here. I can't really draw a box, so as y'all know, we're gonna draw a trend line. Bam. That's that, right? So boom, you already know what the deal is. We wait for a break and recess. We wait for a break and recess on the bottom of the top side, and we go with that and see what goes on. So It's good it went past last second. I just want to trade in peace. That's all I want to do. But damn, I thought today was about to be a good day. For real. I thought we was about to have a trading day for real. We gonna go right here to what? Like right here. Let's lock in real quick. Let me see. Let's see. I didn't draw the line, right? As y'all can see, I never draw the line. So I'm assuming that could have been a moment. As y'all experiencing this, just so y'all know on video, this is literally what was going on yesterday, but 2 times worse. I don't know what to do. But honestly, if I'm being honest with you, not even trying to look for a trader, I think probably this was it, my break and retest, right? So it came down, it broke, came back up here, retested and went down. So honestly, I feel like that would have been, it could have been a trade. So if I would have put in a short and entered what? Broke, retested, entered here. I have nowhere to put my stop loss, so probably put my stop loss right here. 2R multiple. Boom. That's what we looking at right there. Chat, that was it right there. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That was it. That was it. I had 2 opportunities. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I'm not even tripping. We're not even gonna force it, nothing like that. I feel like this is a good stopping point. If y'all know things to help me out with this problem, boom. If y'all know fixes to fix it, let me know down in the comment. Let me know down in the comment section. In the description is going to be the link to my Discord. I didn't even get a chance to show y'all. Whole time y'all not even. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, let's go back in. We got the verify. Then we got the welcome. Start here rules. Choose your role. You gotta pick your role if you want alerts for when YouTube stuff drops. Introduction, introduce yourselves, announcements. Community tab where you got our general chat and everything. Trading hub. We do our talks and things. YouTube videos and all that other stuff. Gonna go over there. Our trading rooms for like in a moment like this while I'm recording this, I'm gonna be recording also. We gonna be inside probably one of these, whichever one of these, what market open session. We gonna be all in there trading, chopping up and things of that nature, support tickets, and yeah, that's really that. But more of the story, yes, I have a Discord server. Also, if you do graphics, hit me up. If you do graphics, hit me up. I need graphics and emojis, all that other extra stuff. I need that. But yeah, this will be down in the description and things of that nature. And yeah, I appreciate y'all, and I will catch y'all later.